little side trip. We are snowshoeing into that TJ that's been sitting here for almost a month now. Not 100% convinced it's going to come out. In the trees, there's snow up to my waist that I fell into. It's a slow trudge. We estimate we're walking in on 2 to 3 feet of snow right now. Here's a huge drift right here. These drifts gotta be 4 foot right here. Let's at least, we're this close, let's check on the vehicle. Huh?
Close enough to my little get eyes on it.
We're not even a 1/10 of a mile from it now. May as well check on it. These are definitely 3 to 4 foot drifts. I gotta give them props for getting back in here though. Look at this drift. This is like 5 footer. 300 feet to go. There's the vehicle. Yep, it ain't coming out. Look at this drift. Oh, this has got to be 6 foot deep. He might not be able to hear us because we're over that ridge.
Yeah, look at it. No way.
I just wanted to let you know we are arriving at the vehicle.
Copy that, we're still in the
Roger. This thing's not coming out of here. We're walking in on 4 to 6 foot snow drifts, and the vehicle's sitting in about 3 feet of snow. May as well check on it. Here's a bolt. Yep, there's 3 foot drop. Oh yeah, that thing ain't coming out. Not anytime soon. No freaking way. Tilt the camera down a little bit. GPS says we are arriving at our destination. That's up the top of the fenders. Oh, he was on the gas pedal. No way, dude. This thing's on 35s and it's a TJ and the snow's up to the hood.
Yeah.
It ain't coming out.
Nope.
Yep. I like it.
I don't think Russell's gonna get this far in either.
No, we're gonna have to hike out to him. All right. Oh yeah, this is even better from back here. I'm gonna walk this way. Yeah. Oh, they were winching around the tree.
Oh yeah, they were.
With a cable. Oh yeah. That tree's gonna die. See if that shows up on the video. Right there. All right, we're gonna terminate the video. This thing ain't coming out until June or July. Easily.